down, put it down.
When will we learn from our mistakes?
Welcome back to another video. In this video, as you can see, we are in our storage room. It's been a while since we've been here, and the reason was we did not have white paint. We actually had a problem with our car. We got sick. In the other order, we got sick because Despina came back with a sickness, and then we had no car, so we couldn't actually go get paint for the walls. So yeah, now we have paint, so we can actually finish painting the wall, get it actually to the finished stage because it was still shining through. So we need to paint it, remove all the paper, and then we actually, in this video, we are gonna move our washing machine and make the stand for it. So the washing machine is actually gonna be lifted off the ground for easier access, but not too high where you cannot put the washing fluid in, the washing liquids. And on the bottom we're gonna put a drawer, probably for something, I'm not sure exactly what, but we're gonna put one. And on top we're gonna make all cupboards as well. So let's get started by painting the walls.
Now we can finally see the final reveal then.
So as you can see, we have revealed it, and this actually paint dried pretty quickly, like 20-30 minutes. It's fully dry. I wouldn't really touch it, but it looks dry. And it looks a lot better. It definitely concealed all the spots that were shining. I think it's also a lot better paint quality. We bought a bit different paint, even though it was discounted because it was expired. I don't see a problem. Maybe there is a problem, but we bought it and it works pretty good. I think many paints we bought that are discounted and they still work fine, and they're not falling or peeling off. So yeah, problem I had with the wrong use of tape, I had some cracks, but those are filled and doesn't look like they're revealing. They were microscopic, of course, and really not everywhere. All the big ones where it did straight, no problem. It's mostly here on these corners. Of course, I should have used metal corners. As I said, I think this was when we did this was winter, so we didn't drive often to the store, or we had a problem with the car again. I don't know, we're fighting the car all the time. So we didn't get the proper thing, so we did it with the paper tape, but I think it's holding on pretty good. And as I explained in many times, it's only like from here and here that's going to be visible. The rest is all cupboards. We are not going to have most of the walls visible at all. I mean, like ceiling to floor cupboards, like fully closed up. This is a storage room after all, so it's going to be wall to wall kind of walk-in cupboards, so you're going to have loads of storage space. And yeah, I think it's gorgeous. The wood, we need to see if we can solve it. I think if we lack it, the white might disappear. Otherwise it's just going to pop the white color and make it worse. But yeah, not reversible right now, so a bit of a problem. But let's get on and make that washing machine. We need to move all these things here, and we're gonna make the stand for the washing machine, move the washing machine, plug it in, and, well, not see it run for now, but let's just get it here. up, it's up.
Okay.
Well, we could jiggle it then. Okay.
Wait, one more step? No?
Has to be lifted side from sides.
Yeah. We bring it in front and then lift it in and then just push it a bit piece by piece, you know what I mean?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Let's just try not to scratch it too much.
Careful. It's too hard. I don't know about it.
I can do it.
Okay, we're doing it, I guess.
Let it down, let it down. I think the height is perfect now. We can take out as well.
Pretty good.
Easy to clean. Oh, that's a good fit. Oh, that leaks.
No, the platform should be a bit more out, maybe.
Yeah, it is bigger than the washing machine, don't worry.
Oh, okay.
We assembled it the wrong way.
Well, the platform, because it's like 65 to 60, right?
65 to 60.
Yeah.
5 centimeters to come out to leave enough space for the cables and the pipes.
And then we have 5 centimeters missing on the front, which means...
I can see it sideways because I have flush on that side and there's 5 centimeters here.
That's
not as easy as... Yeah.
Why do we always do that? Like, why always?
We could have just checked.
We never do that. Like, checking. We always have to fail first. When will we learn from our mistakes?
All of it needs to come out from the floor, from everywhere. It's all wrong, except that corner one next to the pipes. That's the only wood that can stay in the same place. All the 3 legs need to come all out. Because they're gonna be further, yeah.
When will we learn from our mistakes? Okay, well, let's deassemble it all.
We need to take the washing machine down.
I know. Don't need to tell me that.
There's no way of doing it without it.
Yeah, I know.
I don't think so. It would be too risky.
Oh, okay, well, now it's not on the leg.
Okay. And then put that corner down. We were 5 minutes away from being done.
We literally just had to push it in.
Just push it in. End the video. Done.
So that is 60.
Ooh, look how exact I did.
Yeah, well, if you could have done it first. Why do we always do that? I don't know. But just for fun. And I was like, the legs could stay.
Huh.
I mean, maybe they could.
Some of them.
No.
We could align it like this. But that's bringing it way too far out. Down, you think?
Yeah. Well, that's perfect now.
So as you can see, we are done. It's finally, it only actually took us 10 minutes or 15 minutes to redo it. So not that bad, we actually got pretty good at it. And now we know how to lift washing machines and attach them higher up. So now it's definitely a lot more accessible. Despina can just open it and easily take it in. And we're gonna make like this bottom one as a kind of a lifting hinge one. We were thinking to put a drawer, but there's pipes behind, so just a door makes more sense, and then we can put some really unneeded things on the bottom, like, you know, cleaning supplies or something that you really don't need because it's going to be pretty hard to get because of the weird way it's going to open. But besides that, I think it's turning out good, and then we're going to buy now plywood, which is going to go pretty much that high, the plywood, and it's going to be Probably not a drawer, but opening, or the Despina one's drawer. No, drawers, because that makes no sense. Cupboard. Yeah, or maybe even a lifting up cupboard, because that would make more sense for access. So the door is not in the way, it's against the ceiling.
Well,
actually, that makes sense, I think. But that's gonna be pretty much it with this video. I hope you enjoyed. We have moved our washing machine, and the bathroom is slowly getting empty. We were actually now kind of planning before what we're gonna do with it. It's gonna be a giant mess what we have to do with the bathroom, and the hallway is kind of part of it. So we actually might change our plan on the hallway. We're gonna explain that in another video. But hope you enjoyed. We're gonna see you next time. Bye bye.
It looks funny.
Hello. You need to wash this as well.
You can take it up and wash it.
I'm not doing that.